All right, so question number 3. So it says find the solution for the following equation. So this one was a little bit easier. It already told you that it was a equation, so you know and it's already written for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and write it again. Okay, and you're just gonna go ahead and solve. So you're gonna draw your line, and so you might be used to have seen them in the order of 2x plus or minus a number equals, but this is the same thing. So I'm going to show you that you can solve it like this, or you could have rewritten it. But if you rewrite it, you need to make sure that this symbol stays with the 2x. So some of you did rewrite it, and I think that's where y'all made the mistake. Okay, so that you needed to have write it negative or minus 2x, because that's where the minus is. And then you have this 14.4. It does not have a symbol in it, in front of it. So is it a positive or a negative 14.4? Okay. Since it's a positive, that means it's a plus 14.4 equals 30.2. And then you could have solved it. It would have been this. It's the same steps. So whether you solved it the way I wrote it in red or this way, it was the same steps. First, you had to the first step was going to be to subtract. Sorry. Because remember, you have to do the opposite of what's being done here. So the opposite of adding would be to subtract. So it would have been subtract. Okay. And you would be subtracting the number you're adding. And then your second step would have been to divide, because remember, you're doing the opposite. So here you were right here you were multiplying, so you do the opposite, which is divide. So you would divide. Okay. I'm not going to finish solving it out. I think you should be able to finish solving it out. So the same thing here, if you were you would have subtracted 14.4, and you would have done the same thing on both sides. Okay. And you can finish solving it from there. All right.